Hi, good morning.
Hello, good morning too.
How are you?
I am good. How about you?
I am good too. Thank you.
You are welcome.
What is your name?
My name is Omar. And yours?
My name is Asma.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh. And you?
I am from Myanmar. What do you do for work?
I am a student. And you?
I am a student too.
What school do you go to?
I go to Mongda High School. And you?
I go to Cork City High School.
Which class do you read in?
I'm in class 8. And you?
I am in class 9.